Hi, and welcome to the Henry Public Library. I thought while we are all in isolation that I would do a few short tutorials to help you utilize some of our resources from home. And I have a few friends to help me. Over here, I have Piglet, Raggedy Andy, and Pete the Cat. Normally they sit on a shelf, but for right now, they are here to help me demonstrate how to use Libby. So let's switch on over to the iPad so that you can see what I see. I'll switch on the mirroring. So there we go. All right, you should see what I see now. So the first step, and what I have is an iPad. The instructions would be the same for an iPhone. Slightly different in Android devices, but I do not have one of those to demonstrate for you. So here we go. If you find Libby, you can search either for Libby or Overdrive. I already have it installed on this iPad, so we're just going to open it. And then once you've opened it, it's going to ask you some questions. So here we go. Wants to know, do you have a library card? And we're going to say, yes, you have a library card. And then it gives you some options. Today we're going to search for a library. I usually search by our zip code just because that's fast and easy and accurate. In this case, it does pull up both Putnam County and Henry Public Library. If you are a Henry Public Library, obviously choose that. If you are Putnam County, I do not know what their PIN numbers are, but that is the one that you would choose. And then it asks you again, are you really Henry Public Library? So we're going to answer yes. Now we need the library card number. That'll be on the back of your library card. It starts D36. If you do not have your library card handy, give us a phone call, shoot us a message. We will do our best to get that information to you. But as you know, we are all kind of playing it by ear. So you put your barcode number in. The next thing you want to do is your PIN number. And if you do not know that, we can reset it for you. And then sign in, and it'll think for a minute, contact the library system, think for a minute longer. Oh, there it is. So it shows us the thing, and it's not super helpful to have that barcode number. So I like to rename the cards, particularly since Libby lets you put in multiple cards. So I'm going to name this one Piglet, because this is Piglet's card. And we'll go ahead and save that. And then we go to next. And here we are on our digital bookshelf. And we can explore. We can look for different books. You can search for a book. Obviously, not everything is available. And the way that this is set up, it is set up similarly to a library in that if somebody has it checked out, you can't have it checked out. In preferences, we can limit the availability to available now. That's really helpful because it allows you to find stuff that you can check out right this minute. And then if we apply the preferences, okay, so these are some things that are available now. And let's see, we're gonna go with Mom, Me, and Mom by Maya Angelou. So you select a book you want, just click on the title. If it's available, it'll say borrow. You can just hit borrow. Again, it shows you that. The default will be 14 days. In Libby, you can change that to either 7 or 21. You are always welcome to return books early. They will not stay out past the expiration date. You will not get overdue fees. And we'll just hit borrow. And it'll take a minute to think. And then once it downloads, it's ready to read your book. You can open your book. You can go to the shelf. And on the shelf, it'll show you what you have checked out. If we had things on loan, it will show you, or on hold, it would show you that. And it's just that easy. And I will do another one of these with some advanced features that you can do. So that's how you set up Libby. I hope this has been helpful.